Pencil Overlay Toolkit for Premiere Pro. Here is the folder you have just downloaded from Envato or from Elements, and here in the mocked folder are all you need for Premiere Pro. Inside here you will find 4 different folders. These folders include the same identical overlays in different aspect ratio. In our example we will use an HD. Drag and drop one of these HD overlays and drop it here in the Essential Graphic menu in the Browse panel, and then drop that in your timeline. You might be prompted to change the sequence settings and match those of the overlay. In our example, we will change those settings. Then select your layer, your mocked file, and go to the placeholder here and drop your media inside. You will immediately notice that you already have an artistic result here. Let's see the controls, selecting the mocked layer, and in the Edit panel of the Essential Graphics menu you have the color for the text as well as the position for both texts, the scale for both texts, but you can have individual position control for each line. Of course, you can change the font and edit the text as well. After editing the text and selecting the colors for the text, close your text section here and go to the paper section. From here you have a slider for the paper opacity as well as 4 checkboxes to select the appropriate paper for your project. Then close the paper section and go to the slider, which is the frame rate. Using this slider you can adjust the frames of the video. A 12 frame rate works really well. The rotate pencil angle is this clock wheel here, and from here you can rotate the pencil strokes. The effects adjustment section includes a more scientific adjustments of the pencil effect. This includes a soft light slider for the strokes, a vivid light slider again for the strokes. You can increase the effect potential. There is a grain slider here where you can add some grain to your composition as well as the grain size. I think the grain size is better at the value of 1. There is an effect detail here, increasing the values of the effect detail make your shape here less detail. The opposite happens if you move the slider to the 0 values. Finally, there is an effect brightness and a saturation slider here in case you want to desaturate your draw. I hope you enjoy working with this pencil overlay toolkit for Premiere Pro and make great promos. Thanks for watching.